Hi, this is teacher Laura and I'm going to read you a book. It's called Rainy Day by Patricia Lakin and pictures by Scott Nash. Rainy Day, Patricia Lakin, pictures by Scott Nash. Not another rainy day, cried Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill. Nothing to make, nothing to bake, nothing to paint, nothing to play. Let's go outside anyway. Umbrellas, said Sam. Raincoats, said Pam. Rain boots, said Will. Rain hats, said Jill. Ready, said Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill. The road got wet. The fog got thick. They didn't know which road to pick. They took a left, they took a right. A pirate ship came into sight. Then a whale, then a monster face. Just what was this scary place? A mini golf park, cheered Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill. Let's play! Smack it, said Sam. Pat it, said Pam. Hit it, said Will. Lost it, said Jill. Forget it, said Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill. Grrr! Who's there? Cried Sam. A bear, cried Pam. Wild hog, cried Will. A dog, cried Jill. With a baseball, cried Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill. Let's play. Line up, said Sam. Heads up, said Pam. Wind up, said Will. Batter up, said Jill. Pop up, said Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill. Got it, said Sam. Got it, said Pam. Got it, said Will. Not it, said Jill. Hail, said Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill. I'm slipping, said Sam. I'm sliding, cried Pam. I'm soaking, cried Will. I'm sinking, cried Jill. Now what? Cried Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill. Go home, said Sam. No way, said Pam. Then where? Said Will. Follow him, said Jill. To the library, said Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill. Library. They each took a look, they each took a book, they each took a nook. Pirates, said Sam. Golf, said Pam. Baseball, said Will. Dogs, said Jill. Perfect. Sighed Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill. The end. Thank you for joining me today and see you again next time.